5 ways to get free Apple TV Plus. The TV landscape has never been more fertile. Netflix, Amazon's Prime Video, Disney Plus, Paramount Plus, and others are currently sowing and reaping a bumper harvest of great shows. Apple TV Plus is one of the younger services, but it's also one of the best, with perhaps the most focused commission strategy. That sounds really dull. Sorry, but honest, a focused commissioning strategy can lead to really exciting TV. Rather than buying up other networks' back catalogs to fill out their offerings, Apple has put its considerable budget to good use and commissioned a raft of original material. On the downside, it means there's less on the service than on Netflix or Prime Video. But the plus is that every show has the mark of care and attention paid to it. There's nothing slapdash or lazy. 1. The standard 7-day free trial. Apple is one of the few streaming services that still offers a free trial, granting new subscribers 7 days free access to its catalog of content. It's not enough to watch everything, but you may be able to binge 1 or 2 shows if you're lucky. 2. Is Apple TV free? How much is Apple TV per month? Well, it is free, and it isn't. What we mean to say is that you can watch it free for a while, but there is a subscription fee, as with most streamers. That fee is £6.99/$6.99 per month, which is comparable to the other streamers listed above, if not as competitive as it used to be. There's also no discount for signing up for a full year. Another way to do it is to buy some Apple hardware. If you purchase a new iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Mac, you'll get Apple TV Plus free for 3 months. 4. Buy an Apple product. In the old days, buying an eligible Apple device would get you up to 12 months of Apple TV Plus for free. These days, that trial period has dropped down to just 3 months. It's not quite as impressive, but it's still pretty generous, especially if you were buying one of those devices for yourself already. 5. Apple TV Plus student offer. Students who already take advantage of the Apple Music offer from UNIDAYS get Apple TV Plus for free for a limited time. You must be studying a bachelor's, postgraduate, or equivalent higher education course at a UK university to be eligible. If you get Apple Music, you will automatically be signed up to Apple TV Plus. When your student term ends each year, you will have to re-verify your student status. You can do this on the Apple Music app, iTunes, or settings. If your student term is ended, your subscription will convert into an Apple Music subscription. You will no longer get free Apple TV Plus after that. This student offer ends when you stop subscribing to Apple Music or when your UNIDAYS account is no longer active. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.